Hi, it's Derrick Mnick with Real Broker here in Orlando, Florida. And you might ask yourself, if someone buys a house over 10,000 square feet, how do they use it? Is it a full-time residence? Is it a vacation home? Or is it a short-term rental? Well, this house knocks them all out of the park. Come along and let me show you how. You are in one of the most iconic houses in the entire city. This is here at 501 Murfield Loop in Reunion, Florida, and today is the closing day. Our new buyers are on their way, and man, they couldn't be happier. Sometimes it's not about how big the master bedroom is, or maybe even how many bedrooms are in the house at all. Maybe it's that one special room that really makes it over the top. And always remember, you got a friend in me. Toy Story was such a great movie. I remember so many of the great parts, from Slinky Dog to Buzz Lightyear to the Green Army Men. The thing that really captivated me was that all the toys came alive. Can you believe it? What a crazy thought. Toys alive. Every little boy's dream when they saw the movie Cars was to go to Radiator Springs. Mater, Lightning McQueen, all those great characters. Well, this house does a great job of bringing Radiator Springs to you, and your buddy is right here on the screen for you. How about that? So I used to take my daughter Emerson to the Magic Kingdom when she was little, and she just had a ball. Going on all the attractions, eating cotton candy, Main Street USA, all that fun stuff. And she would always ask me, Daddy, can we stay for the fireworks? And unfortunately, I knew what traffic was like and bumping into strollers and all that tough stuff. And then I thought to myself, if there just was a way, there was a way I could bring fireworks home, we both could win. Well, guess what? This house, they figured it out. Some people buy the house because it has the master bedroom of their dreams. Or maybe it's that gourmet kitchen that just hits the spot. And other people, well, they buy it for the view. Moments away from the new buyers experiencing all the great things that this house has to offer. I'm super excited. You very rarely see this stuff filmed, but I wanted to give it to you firsthand because this is what it's all about. You gonna come see your house or what? Anybody got a pair of scissors? See, my buddy Buzz wanted to give you those scissors to cut the ribbon.
Thank you.
All right. Welcome home.
It's amazing. Thank you.
Congratulations,
thank
bud.
you,
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Oh my God, this is so good. That's
Beautiful. Toy Story was an iconic movie for a lot of different reasons, but it was unbelievable to watch because they said the toys would come alive. And I'm looking for toys. If you see one, let me know. I'm gonna say, here's the ribbon. I'm saying, oh my goodness, I forgot the scissors. Let me get some scissors, and then you can come out with the scissors.